Let's take a look at this pocket multi-tool. It folds up really small, comes with a keychain to open it. Very easy to convert it into a plier, and there is even a spring in between, giving you nice action. Even though it's really small, it's quite comfortable to use. It also has a few more tools in it. That's a star screwdriver and a small knife, more for opening letters or something like that. Then you can use them individually. And on this side you get two more tools. On one side you get a nail file and a small pointed tip. No idea what that's for. You get another knife-like tool, but it's not sharp at all. Maybe this is for opening letters, and the other one was for cutting stuff. And this also comes handy for prying open stuff. These are a bit tight. Once you start using them, they will get a little bit easier to open and close. Again, a really tiny package. Costs around 250 rupees or around $4 or so. Quite nice. Check it out.